Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with required privileges. Log into an administrator account and keep user account control enabled so service changes apply. Once done, open Services. MSC to look for the Security Center entry. If it's absent, open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt now. You do this because the service registration can be missing or disabled at the system level. Having admin rights lets you re-register service components and inspect registry keys. Next, export current service listings so you can compare before and after changes. Now repair core components that Security Center depends on. First run System File Checker and DISM to restore corrupted files. This fixes missing binaries. Then repair WMI repository. Run the salvage command and restart the WinWimp service, because Security Center reports through WMI. If the service is literally missing, recreate it using exe with the correct bin path and dependencies. Register the executable as local system and set start equals auto. These steps restore the runtime and allow services to reappear in services. Finish by restarting the machine so service registrations and WMI rebuild take effect. Then verify Security Center shows running and report status. If it still fails, open Event Viewer and inspect Service Control Manager, WMI, and system logs to trace errors. Those entries tell you which dependency or file is blocking startup. If logs point to persistent corruption, restore a recent system backup or perform a Windows repair install. This preserves apps while fixing deep registration issues and prevents data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.